Oh, hey Jake, you back to work on the truck again?
I am.
Let's do it.
I got an inch and an eighth.
Inch and an eighth, let's go try it.
Cool.
Let me go. Oh, it works.
Got it off in like 3 seconds.
Shout out to Mountain Dew. Or shout out to Jake for buying the Mountain Dew. Boom, sweet. See how easy that was, dude?
Yeah, I was turning it and it wasn't even spinning the ball joint.
What?
Yeah. I'm serious.
We dinkered around with this thing for how long the other day and it was spinning the ball joint on there. We have to take this off because this piece decided it wanted to come out while we were putting this bolt on. So now we gotta take this piece off, put it back on. Woo woo. Alright, sweet. Sweet. Jake's got her. Trying to get this bolt off now. We pounded the crap out of this thing. Jake did. I probably shouldn't have, but what do you do?
What? Pretty sure the words I heard was pound the crap out of that, Jake.
Well,
Quote, Kurt.
see, before he had these little baby taps he was doing. We can still use that though. We can still get it on.
Fine.
Perfect. We didn't screw it up too bad. We did, but we did jimmy a little bit of the threads, but
It's fine.
it's all right. We're good.
Everybody needs a Jimmy in their life.
Yep. All right. So now we need to press that bad boy back in,
Now, where's the...
and then we should be good.
Where's the press at?
Right here, dude.
Hey.
Right underneath your thing. Oh yeah, screwed that up. It's alright.
I know
can
how to
just
do
tape
all this
it.
now if I ever need to do it again.
We can just tape it, dude. Silicone tape.
So we need to take out this bottom one first, right?
No, I think we can just do the top one.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we can press it on there.
Kind of glad I didn't take this back.
Jeez.
Alright.
Oh yeah, Mountain Dew. Let's get it. Gotta get a shot of this. Yeah. Good stuff. Good stuff. Thanks, Jake.
Yep.
Keep us going. Alright, we're gonna pause it because we gotta listen to some tunes. Oh yeah, cutting the bolt off. Whoop, whoop.
Is the axle gonna fall down if I...
No, it'll be cut on these.
Okay.
It ain't gonna hit you if it falls anyways. Almost through. Got the triple shock mount going on right here. Not a lot of these have those anymore. It's real hard to find them. Alright, looky here, looky here. Jakey Poo's got it. We got that bolt out. Finally, we had to cut it, but we got it out. Now, gotta take this off right here. Oh yeah, that's awesome. I'm doing some good work here, man. Just supervising. Well, it is his truck though now, so.
You have a good point.
Anyway, so yeah, there's the brake, and this is the new part. I'll show you in this jungle we got, but here's the new part. Got all of that put on. Yeah, we got them put on just right there. And there it is. Look at that. No brake. No brake. So, just gotta go grab some gasket stuff. Put on the new part. Well, we'll put it on the differential there, and then we'll stick this on, bolt it to it. But we're probably not going to get to that tonight because we actually need to put that bushing in right there and get a new bolt for that. So probably won't be on the agenda tonight, but yeah, soon. So anyways, thanks for watching this video here. Go just give it a thumbs up because Jake's in it. We like Jake. Yeah, give it a thumbs up. Wrecked Life right there. Stickers are gonna come off, and we are going to take the plow mount off right there, and we're gonna take the speakers out of the back, and then yeah, do some other stuff. So anyways, give us a follow, check us out, give us a thumbs down if you don't like it. I don't care, whatever, but just like it. Yeah, adios.